In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Simulink in MATLAB. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their website and sign in. So it's going to be matlab.mathworks.com, and you want to sign into your account, as I said. And then from here, you want to download the installer again. Now, it doesn't matter if you actually have MATLAB installed already, like me, or if you don't, just click on Install MATLAB over here. And then from here, you'll be able to download it for your computer. So it's going to start loading. There we go. And then you can download it for Windows or any other platform, okay? When you do that, it's going to actually download this installer. I'm just going to click on it over here, and after a few seconds it's going to open up this little thing over here, which is going to start loading, unzipping everything, stuff like that. So just wait for this to actually finish, and then on the next step it's going to be the most important part, because we're going to actually be adding Simulink. Okay, so it may ask for your admin permission over here. Just give it if it does, and then it's going to start loading for a bit. Again, there we go. It's going to basically ask you to put in your account info. So if I quickly sign into my account over here, there we go. I'm going to go to next, and I'm going to put in the password as well. Okay, so I'm going to click on sign in here. There we go. You have to, of course, read and accept the agreement. I've done this already and read it, so I'm going to click on next over here. And there we go. As you can see, I have a trial, so I'm going to click on next over here. The destination is going to be as it is right here. The user is going to be as it is. I'm going to leave it in here. I'm going to click on next again. And then where it says products, you'll be able to see whenever this stops loading over here, there's going to be the most important part, because we're going to be able to select Simulink, okay? So as you can see here, you can select either all, or you can select MATLAB and Simulink as well. So I do have MATLAB on my computer right now. As you can see, it's over here. However, if you want to install Simulink, the easiest way is going to be to just do it like I'm showing you right now. So just go over here and go to Simulink, and then of course make sure Simulink is checked. Click on next over here. I do have MATLAB already, but I still check that it's still going to work. And then there we go. I'm not going to add the shortcut, and I'm still gonna go through the confirmation. And as you can see here, it's going to show that everything is confirmed. Just click on begin install, and it's going to start installing. Now whenever that's done, you'll be able to see that you actually have successfully added Simulink inside your MATLAB. You'll be able to access it and stuff like that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.